pizza. I've been thinking a lot about how to integrate Tesla navigation. That's why my Tesla navigation integration video has been so popular. This product is, I think it's a product that can solve those inconveniences. As you can see, it's not much, but I have an iPhone with Android Auto and CarPlay. You might be able to guess, but it's not the product you're guessing. It's not the dashboard product that I've always introduced. This product is a Tesla monitor with Android Auto and it's a product that can use CarPlay, and it doesn't use existing streaming. Okay, let's open it up first. Okay, when you open it, these are the components. What's in it? There are a lot of wires, right? Okay, let's take a look at them one by one. Of course, there's the user manual, installation, manual, warranty, and things like that. Next is the main product. It looks similar to CarCom, right? As you can see, this product is connected to the car computer. It's a product that you can use by touching the Tesla monitor directly as much as you connect to the car computer. Oh, it also has a Wi-Fi antenna, so you can use Wi-Fi. It seems to connect to a cell phone, and on the back, it roughly says in English how to set it up when you first install it. Well, you'll have to try this when you install it, and then it's a huge bundle of cables. Well, it looks like this is a data cable that's always been used, and it's a product that's often used when installing dashboards. And this is an additional. It looks like a cable that connects to the CarCom, and this is the same data cable. And this is the same data cable. This is probably for AMD. It looks like a cable. The cable is really small, right? AMD specific cables usually look like this. If you look at them, the sizes are a bit different. And the other one is USB. It's a cable, but I don't know where to use it. I think I'll have to install it first. Okay, let's try installing it. Okay, to install it first, you have to tear off this part that you always tear off here. Today, I have to install it on the computer, so I have to tear off this part and this part. Okay, let's try removing it first. Pull out one key here and tear it off. After unpacking, here is the cable. Here is the cable. Be careful to pull it out like this. Pull it out. Like this, I connected the cables and modules that were in the unboxing video by matching the colors. As you can see, it's like this. This vehicle is an AMD vehicle. I connected the AMD cable like this. Now, I'll try connecting the cable to the car computer. In the case of Atom vehicles, there is a cable here, but for Ryzen, move it to this side and pull it out. I'll try pulling out the cable on this side. If you press the cable here, it comes out. Press it like this and pull it out like this. Connect the cable in the module. Like this, connect it like this, and there is a cable in the module. So fit it back here and plug it in like this. It's hard to see, but you can plug it in like this. Next is the last module. If you watch my video, you've probably seen this part a lot. Just connect it here and here. I don't have enough hands, so I couldn't film it, but I plugged the cable from the module here and extended the one I was using like this. And then I connected the power cable here. Now the installation is complete, and let's test it. Okay, like this, it's connected. If you press the button like this, CarPlay, Hi Car Android Auto, and the settings come up. First, let's take a look at the settings. Oh, what is this? First, change the language to English. Is it changed? Again, it will change after rebooting. If you reboot like this and go back in, oh, the language has changed to English. And There's nothing special about the settings. It's the same. I don't know what the return car link is for 5 seconds, but the Bluetooth name. It comes out like this, and there doesn't seem to be anything else. First, let's connect. I'll try it. If you look here, it's connected like this. In this state, I'll go into Android Auto. It connects automatically, right? Oh! It comes out like this. Oh, I'm T-Map, so it's T-Map. Oh, touch is also quite fast. Oh, music is like this. Oh, touch is like this. It's like basic Android. It's auto touch speed. Oh, okay. It comes out like this, and you can use split screen like this. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, if you do this, it turns off. And if you do this, it turns on and on here on the left. There's a button, so if you press it, it turns on and off. Oh, then. I'll organize it and test it while driving. Okay, I'll finish driving like this and test it once. Here, oh, it seems much more convenient than I thought. On the left, a map appears like this, so you can use it. This side is, you can touch it like this, and when you don't need it, you can pull it down like this. And you can turn it back on like this. If you put the drive in, the map appears like this, and if you go back like this, it automatically changes to the camera. This is also amazing. Oh, if you press P, it appears like this. And if you press D, it opens like this again. You can also split the screen like this, and the menu is much faster than I thought. Good. Then you can see the touch speed like this, right? It's pretty fast. Oh, really good. Oh, it seems good. Well, today, most Tesla owners wanted to be able to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in their vehicles. I installed the module once, and oh, it seems really good. The installation is not that difficult, so it seems really good to do it. Of course, today, it's cheap. I'll upload the purchase link and coupon code. If you liked today's video, please subscribe and like. That's it.